So there was this incident that happened during the time of Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam that if I'm not wrong, it was our mother Zainab radiallahu ta'ala anha. She used to pray tahajjud a lot, and to the point where she started to collapse while standing long times in the prayer. So she tied a rope in her room from one end to other, which she can hold on, so that she can get a support while standing and praying tahajjud. So the Prophet ﷺ came to know this and he stopped her. He ﷺ stopped her from doing this because he ﷺ said, "You don't have to do so much. You don't have to do so much. It's not recommended, or it's not obligatory to be doing so much." And I came to know about this incident during the time where I was doing a job. I was on a job which was extremely demanding from me. That job was, I will say, the work was hard. The work was hard, of course, but I wasn't collapsing because the work was hard. I was collapsing because it was so hard that I had to go to the hospital, to the doctor, and the doctor asked me get an MRI of your joints because I was having so much pain in my knees because of that work, and I was taking painkiller from past 10 days while I was doing that job. So I came to know about this incident that happened during the time of our Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, and I quitted that job because it was so much. And in our life, we often tend to do things that are just so much. It's so much. Sometimes we start doing things, we start putting pressure on ourselves, so much so that we come to an extent that we start killing ourselves. I mean, our Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam, he alayhi salatu wassalam used to stand so long for tahajjud that there were bruises in uh, his there were bruises on his feet. So Allah said to him, "Your body has a right on you. Your body has a right on you. Take rest. Take rest. Don't prolong. Don't. It's all right." I mean, Allah comforted our Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. Take rest. So to me also and to you also, we also do things in our life which are just so much. It's too much. And you can decide by observing your life that what is that one thing that you're doing so much. Allah commands in the Quran, Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Nisa, where it's a long ayah number 29, where Allah says, "Do not consume each other's wealth unjustly except through mutual consent." And after that, Allah says, "Do not kill yourself. Indeed, Allah is ever merciful to you. Do not kill yourself." So this part of the ayah of the Quran where Allah says, "Do not kill yourself," we can extract the meaning that uh, Allah is saying that we shouldn't kill ourselves, or we shouldn't be committing suicide. But there are more. You cannot put foundation on the word of Allah. Killing yourself is harming yourself. So don't harm yourself. Don't harm yourself. You're really passionate about working out. You're really passionate about going to the gym. Go to the gym. Go to the gym. Exercise. Not to the extent that you start killing your body. I mean, I am someone who is passionate about bodybuilding, and I have the gym of my friend only. He has his own gym. I go to his gym regularly, and I see youngsters who are just pumping the gas in. Their position is not right. They are complete. The body is malnutrition. They have lack of nutrition in their body, but they are just pumping the iron in the gym. That's too much. You don't have to do so much. That's one example which I told you, one or two examples which I gave you. You can observe your life where you are doing so much, be it in a career, it's your job or something where you are just doing so much to an extent that you're killing yourself. Maybe it's your household, if you're a spouse, if you're a woman, you're just taking care of everyone. You're taking care of your spouse. You're taking care of your children. You're taking care of your in-laws. You're taking care of your sister-in-laws and brother-in-laws and every in-law while neglecting your own self. That's too much. We shouldn't be doing that. We shouldn't be doing that. Allah says your body has a right on you, so take rest. You want to achieve good marks, very good goal. But to the extent that your eyes sight, you started losing your eyesight, studying for so long, your health is deteriorating, your body is malnutrition, you're not eating properly, you are physically collapsing because you're always sitting on a desk and a table, and you're not going out and doing some physical exercise. That's so much. That's too much. You are in a relationship. You're trying to hold on any relationship, be it your parental relationship, your spousal relationship, your in-laws, your children's, your I don't know. There are so many relationships, and you are just trying to make things work, but the other person just doesn't care. So to a point, good, but don't kill yourself. And there are relatives for whom, if you even chop your neck off, they're never going to appreciate you except a little. They are related. I have seen abusive relatives in my life. I have them. It doesn't matter what you do for them. They just can't appreciate you enough. And that's all right. That's all right. If there is a friend and you are trying to hold on to your friendship, good, but not to an extent that you start killing yourself. So, so this principle which Allah gave us, that don't kill yourself, don't harm yourself. Now, Allah has given you aql, Allah has given you mind, Allah has given you consciousness. So you can observe your life and see at which part of your life you are doing so much, where Allah and His Messenger والسلام, commanded you to stop. Not so much. Not so much. People take debts. People take debts. I mean, People take on debts and they know that they won't be able to pay it back. And in their mind, they say, "Oh, I'll figure it out." 7 months later, 2 years later, they end up destroying themselves. Just nearby my house, I have this big market, and it is a really filthy, big historical market. Recently, the news of two people have came from that market who have committed suicide because they took on the loan and they weren't able to pay back the loans. So they committed to suicide. And doing a shop in that market is not easy. It's not easy. That location asks for millions of dollars for the property prices. And this guy had that shop, but still, he took on the loan, wasn't able to pay back, the interest kept on compounding. What happened? He wasn't able to pay back the loan. What decision he took? He committed suicide. He killed himself. So don't take on loans. Don't go into debts, which will eventually, if not physically, at least emotionally or psychologically kill you. And then we have gambling and reckless speculation. People do gambling. People go to casino, destroying themselves. People invest in these speculative trades, hoping that their money will go up. That's also you killing yourself financially. You're destroying your life, and not just your life, but the life of everyone who is connected to you, your children, your spouses, your mothers, your parents, your siblings, everyone, by these stupid things. Overworking, overworking until your health start collapsing. I mean, you're working so hard. Working hard is a different thing, but working so hard that your health start collapsing, that is too much. That is too much. Substance abuse or destructive spending. Substance abuse. You're consuming something which you know is killing you. Cigarettes, a classic example. Cigars, classic example. Shisha, that hookah bars, shisha lounges. Extreme junk food. Stop doing that to yourself and stop letting that happen to anyone in your family. Destructive spending. You have money, you're spending frivolously. I mean, you're spending like a maniac. That's also you killing yourself, you're harming yourself. So keep in mind this principle which Allah has given us. Don't kill yourself, don't harm yourself.